Yo, what's good, people? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make an Amapiano beat, something similar to Obasima by Fireboy. You know, that song just dropped some days back. So without wasting time, guys, get your headphones and let's get right into creating some Amapiano beat. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just set my tempo to 110, which is the original tempo of the song. Then the next thing I'm gonna do, just give me a swing of around, let's say I'm around 9%. Then I'm just gonna go get my one shots, and I'm gonna be using this new sample pack from Sabaro Sound titled Happy Drums. So let's just go get some nice happy drums. Let's go over the packs. So I'm just gonna pick this and I'm just gonna arrange my percussion right away. So let's call this our first pack. Let's just have this here, and so let me just go to my piano roll. I like working, I love working the piano roll. So let's just open this up and just take this up a little bit. So just put that down there and look for some nice packs, some more percussions. I like this also. So I'm just gonna, let's create another percussion. Let's go to our song mode. Yeah, let's just have this. Just have this at the surface level. Then I'm just gonna go bring my shakers, put in the shakers there, and everything is gonna be sounding nice. I'm gonna be going to the Sabaro Sounds Amapiano starter pack and the shaker loops, just like the shaker. Yeah, then I'm just gonna go to the my pack and just get this shaker loop. So I have this. So let me add for more percussions, and everything is sounding sweet and nice. So let me go get some more percussions. Yeah, let's just put this here. There we go. Give it some nice colors. I love everything to be colorful. It inspires me. So for this, I'm just gonna have something like this. Nice. Let's see what else we can bring in. I don't think I have this, so let me put this down and let's call this percussion. So yeah, we have a vibe there. So I'm just gonna loop everything and just drag everything. I'm just gonna create the chord progression right away. So let me just save this. Let's just save this. So I'm just gonna play the chord progression right away. I'm gonna go get some nice electric piano, and for that I'm gonna be using Lounge Lizard. Lounge Lizard, my go-to. And I think we're gonna be working on the key of F. Yeah, nice. We're gonna do that. Let's quantize it. Yeah, nice. Work this. Yeah, nice. So let me just put that down. I need it to be very soft. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bring down the velocity a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. think I like what it's sounding. Next, I'm just gonna bring in some nice bass, and for the bass, I'm gonna be using which bass should I use? I think I'm gonna be using Trillion bass. There's this sub bass I really love. I just found out about that bass, the big and clicky bass, the big and clicky. So let's go with the big and clicky too. And it's a nice sub bass, so I'm gonna go with sub bass. But you could actually use some stock plugins, you know, to get some nice sub bass. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn it down and send it to my mixer. And what I'm gonna do, just cut out the highs. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Should I go up? Next, I'm just gonna bring, gonna layer some more chords. So I'm gonna be using Analog Lab 4 just to layer some nice pads. Yeah, by Kill September. I'm gonna be using this preset called Distractions. So let me go add some violins, some nice violins. Yeah, I'm just gonna add some nice violins. So for the pad, what I'm gonna do for the pad, send it to my mixer. I think it's a little bit clashy. I don't know why it's clashing with the bass, so I'm just gonna take out some of the lows. Okay, let me create my pattern. I think I'm just gonna complete it manually. Yeah, let me render to wave, and let's leave remainder and just. Yeah, I think I like it like that. Okay, so I have the original vocal, which, you know, I've used Audimi to convert. So I'm just gonna drag that in and let's hear what it's gonna sound like. Okay, so yeah, so I'm just gonna use this part, you know, just to create the vibe. So next, I think I'm just gonna look for, there's this sharp snare I think I heard on the jam. I'm just gonna go find. Yeah, let's try this. Don't in the order. Don't in the order. Don't in the order. Don't in the order. Way out in your duck to the multis. Don't in the order. Way out in your duck to the multis. Through to the extent, I'm gonna go to the log drum preset, and I spoke about this preset. You guys could copy it and, you know, just play around with it. So I'm just gonna be on the key. So for my log drum, so let's see. Don't in your duck, way up in your duck to the. Don't in your duck. Way up in your. Don't in your duck. Way up in your duck to the multi. Don't in your duck. Way up in your duck to the multi. Don't in your duck. So let me just extend this. Don't in your duck. Way up in your duck to the multi. Way up in your duck to the multi. And I was spend it on you. 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 So next I'm just gonna add another Fruity DX10, and for this I'm just gonna be using this preset called E Flute. You see, it has this nice sub preset. So it's going to use the same, copy this, let's paste it here. Yeah, so it gives it this. Don't in your duck. Way open your duck to the multi she shut. Blow up. And I was standing on you. Rainbow. Polo. Happiness all over me. That I see you. Don't in your duck. So let me try to just play around with the log drum. Don't in your duck. Don't in your duck. Don't in your duck. Way open your duck to the. Don't in your duck. Way open your duck to the multi. Don't in your duck. Way open your duck to the multi. She shut. Don't in your duck. Way open your duck to the multi. She shut. Don't in your duck. Way open your duck to the multi. She shut. And I was standing on you. Song. Up to the multi, she said, low, and I was standing on your rainbow, polo, happiness all over. We need to see you tonight. Nobody knows tomorrow. Don't in your duck. Way open your duck to the multi. So let me just add some vocal samples. And I was standing on your rainbow, polo, happiness all over. We need to see you tonight. Nobody knows tomorrow. Don't in your duck. Way open your duck to the multi. She said, low, and I was standing on your rainbow. Don't in your duck. Way open your duck to the multi. She said, just like that. Don't in your duck. Way out. Nobody knows tomorrow. How did we know they fight? That I hold me back home or the other. Damu, JB Mykah, oh you want go, one see go. Satan in the other blue, come over, don't say no. One of them might go, don't in the other. Way open your duck to the multi, she said, low, and I was standing on you, rainbow, polo. Happiness all over. So to finish it up, I could just bring in, Cradle the God particle. Nobody knows tomorrow. How did we know they fight? That I hold me back home or the other. Damu, JB Mykah, oh you want go, one see go. Satan in the other blue, come over, don't say no. One of them might go, don't in the other. Way open your duck to the multi, she said, don't in your duck. Way open your duck to the multi, she said, low, and I was standing on you, rainbow, polo, happiness all over. We need to see you tonight. Nobody knows tomorrow. How did we know they fight? That I hold me back home or the other. Damu, JB Mykah, oh you want go, one see go. Satan in the other blue, come over, don't say no. One of them might go. Yeah, so guys, this is just, basically how you could easily just make a nice Amapiano beat. Nothing much. More can still be done to this, but you get the basic idea, guys. So you can see how very easy it is, guys, to create an Amapiano beat. All you just need to do is get some nice shakers, some nice percussions, and you are good to go. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, say something nice in the comment section, and if you have any questions, any suggestions for me, just let me know in the comment section. I'm sure gonna respond to every one of you. Thank you guys for watching, and you could check out this video right here. Or this, they are nice videos. You guys could go check it out and have some fun, guys. Thank you for watching, and peace.